There are a lot of cases where you might prefer a small and less powerful light instead of a highly bright one. This is true for things like ambient lighting, decorative lighting, study lamps, and various other things. Since such lights do not require a lot of power, they can even be powered using a USB, making them quite versatile. In case you are interested in these lights, consider the following factors before buying one. 1. LED count. 2. Light length. 3. Colors. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best USB lights currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So, now let's get started. Starting at Pangton Villa LED strip lights. A lot of the USB light offerings from Pangton Villa have a very high user rating because it makes quite handy products. This Pangton Villa USB light can be a great option as a backlight for your TV. Just like the previous USB light, this one also has a strip shape, and using its adhesive you can easily stick it behind your TV that can have a size of 40 to 60 inches. Speaking of size, this USB light has a length of 6.56 feet. As for the LED count, it uses a total of 36 LEDs for illuminating the wall behind your TV. You also get a total of 16 colors with this USB light that can be easily changed using the included 24-key remote control. Since Pangton Villa is quite popular, it offers a 1-year-long warranty to the user. At number 2, i2 Gear USB Reading Lamp. Even though i2 Gear is a much smaller brand compared with other options in this article, its USB light is still quite a popular one because of its form factor. i2 Gear's USB Reading Lamp light is the most compact option present in this list that directly plugs in the USB port like the one of your laptop. It has a bendable body that allows you to adjust the light as per your wish and place it anywhere you want. Despite the compact size, it comes with a total of 14 LEDs inside it, making it quite bright. A great thing about this lamp light is that it offers touch control so that you can easily control it. You can either turn it off or turn on this light using this switch, apart from choosing the brightness from the 3 available options. Even though i2 Gear is a smaller brand of USB lights, it still offers a 1-year-long warranty with this one. At number 3, Blisslight Starport USB Laser Light. Blisslights is a brand of USB lights that is mainly known for making decorative lights that can be powered by using any USB port present in your home. This Blisslight Starport USB laser light is meant to be used for decorative purposes and not for illumination. As per the name, it uses a combination of LED lights and lasers to project a star pattern in your house that looks quite great in the night, since it has a cool blue color. One of the best things about this USB light is that it is quite compact and small because of its dongle-like shape. You can simply plug it into any USB port and start illuminating your room using its star pattern. It can be great for your game rooms or any house party that you are having at your place. Just like most other USB lights present in this article, Blisslights also offers a 1-year-long warranty to the user. Pause 0.5s. Now number 4, Mintum 33 feet 100 LED Globe Ball String Lights. Mintum's Globe Ball String USB lights are a great pick for decorative needs because of its design. It comes with a total of 100 LEDs where all of them have a bulb-like design. But unlike a traditional bulb, these LED lights can have different colors. You can either choose warm white or go into multicolor mode for completely different results from this decorative light. Since this USB light is made for decorative purposes, it has a pretty good length rating of 33 lights. Another great thing about the LED lights used in this USB light is that all of them are IP44 water-resistant lights. To make this USB light further reliable, it also comes included with a decent 1-year-long warranty. Pause 0.5s. Now our last product is Alltech Video Conference Lighting Kit. Alltech is a fairly new brand of USB lights that offers a much different product than the rest of the options present in this article. The Alltech Video Conference Lighting Kit is a USB light that is meant to go on top of the computer monitor and offers 3 color temperatures: cold, natural, and warm light, ranging from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, and has 10 brightness adjustable levels. It is equipped with 120 LED beads for stable bright lighting. This webcam light has a 360-degree rotatable angle that lets you adjust the light to any position for proper lighting. It is USB powered to power the video conference light by either a USB charger, power bank, or USB port. It is lightweight, compact, smaller in size, and portable, making it easy to carry around. All you need is to attach the zoom light to any screen, webcam, that works perfectly for live streaming, online teaching, or video conferencing. The 4-button controller, on-off key, color switch, or brightness, plus or responds to various functions and is easy to use. Furthermore, it offers a 1-year warranty along with professional technical support. Pause 0.5s. So, what did you think of this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.